স্যার আনমিউট করুন।
I have forgotten. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last session, and please bear with us. It will take some time. So just at the starting session, we told you that this is a knowledge sharing, and we are trying to develop ourselves by sharing our knowledge. So in the valedictory session, your experience about this workshop is very much essential for us. So don't leave this platform before the valedictory session is over. As soon as the valedictory session will be over, you will be given a feedback link, and as soon as you submit the link, you will get the certificate. So after completion of everything, you will leave this room. So now a beautiful presentation will be given to you so that you can develop your personal website, and you try to develop your own website, and Paulomi will show you how to develop this site. After this day, today, I think if you face any problem to develop your site, once again I am telling you that please get in touch with us. We will surely help you for such development, because your development is ultimately the development of the student of the society. So carry on with this, and we are with you. So now let us welcome Paulomi once again. Paulomi.
Thank you, sir. Let me first present my screen. Okay, so now I'm presenting my screen. Okay, hello everyone. A very good afternoon to you all. In this session, we will discuss about sites, or rather we call it Google Sites. It's a Google service that helps us to create websites, and you can actually use this freely available web service to create dynamic and interactive website for yourself or even your organizations with just a few clicks. And most importantly, we don't need any knowledge of scripting languages like HTML, PHP, etc. And before we begin, let me show you our departmental website, which is made with this Google tool. And obviously created and managed by us only. You see, this is our departmental website. This is a website of Department of Computer Science. And this is the About Us page, which is very beautiful according to me. I'm really fond of this changing images. And you see there is one other option, which is e-Adhyayan. If I click this, this leads us to another website, which is based on this e-Adhyayan thing only. Then we have this online classes thing where students can actually find all the video lectures, all the materials which we have provided for them. They can easily click on the required subject and see all the video lectures provided by us, me, Mridul sir, or even RP ma'am. Then we have the student zone where we show everything. There is everything: the academic plan, the timetable, the syllabus, even the course material. Even we have virtual classrooms for our students so that they can just visit our site, tap on the their required classroom and connect with us. Okay, so and obviously there is one test zone and question bank too. So this is basically the use of the Google tool, this website thing. Basically, you can see this is a very beautifully made website, but you don't believe it's so easy to make and so easy to maintain. And for that, we are going to create one website for us. Okay, so let's begin. The procedure of creating a site is almost similar as creating a form. You have to just click on the new option over here, and I mean from the G drive, and from the more option, you will get the option Google Sites. This is very easy. I mean, the same as we were creating forms and all. But if you are just bit impatient like me, or if you wish to create the site using your tab or mobile browser, just write sites.in, sites.new in your uh, address bar of the browser. You see, this is the blank slide site they have provided. So let's start editing. So let's first put the name of the site. It's untitled site written over here now. I will just put my name as I am making my own personal portfolio. Uh, this is basically a workshop with Uluveria College. So I'm writing UC demo. Okay, so I have put the name. And the first thing they will prompt us to do to add a logo. You see the add a logo thing has come up. So if I just click on it, we can see there are actually two options. One is to add a logo and another is to add a fav icon. Now we all know what is a logo. It's basically a thumbnail kind of picture shown on the top left corner of your site, like in here. Okay, but what is a fab icon? So basically fab icon is a little icon or image rather that is shown on the tab along with the site name. You see the small thing? This is actually the fab icon or of Google site. You see this greenish kind of camera picture? This is actually the fab icon of Google, I mean Gmeet. Okay, that's how we are also going to upload a fab icon for our site. Okay, let's first upload this picture. You can upload it from your computer or even select it from anywhere. I mean, from Google and anywhere. So I'm just going to select from my site, I mean, device. I think I should keep it for logo and this one for fab icon. Okay. You can anytime also delete it, and there is a one option for alt text. Alt text basically when people have trouble seeing our content, the picture doesn't load. So this alt text is shown in the place of this image. Okay, so PP logo. That's what we can write over there. Something connected to your picture. Okay, so I think it has been uploaded. Okay, you see this is the logo over here, but where is our fab icon? It's not updated till now. Is there any problem? No, basically fab icon shows up whenever we publish our site. After publishing our site, the fab icon will show up here. Okay, so till then we carry on with this thing, right? Okay, so the first thing is, it's the next part. You see this next part? This is known as the header portion. When you open a site, this is the first thing you're going to see. You can also add pictures to it. You can see the change image option. So let me just click on change image. I should drag it a bit. Yes, you see there is two options. One is to upload and one is to select image. As I have uploaded, I have shown you how to upload things from device. Let's select something from Google's own gallery. And they provide a very good range of pictures over there. And this one is my favorite for making any site. Okay. So next to it, we have the reset option. Now reset is an option that changes the picture to the initial one. If I click, the picture is gone and it is back to the initial picture. But we have, I mean, if you done this unmindfully or you just want to get the picture back. Remember, we have this undo and redo options over here. If you ever wish to undo your last action, just click on here. Or if you ever wish to redo your last action, just click this. Okay, so here these two options are there. And obviously, there is a third option, that is header type. Basically, there are many header types over here. You see, this is the banner head kind of header. Then you have the large banner, which is even bigger than that. And you have then cover, which almost covers half of your screen. Okay, so you choose accordingly with your just by your taste. And obviously, there is title only banner also. If you just don't want these things in your site, if you want to keep it minimal, just click on title only. I will just keep this banner thing. Okay, okay, now it's back. Okay, and you see this three small stars. This is actually the readability adjustment. I mean, you have this text on the picture, right? If the picture is too bright, you can't see it properly. So actually, Google just does something with the picture to make the text look brighter on your picture. If you ever turn it on, you see the white is looking little drab on the picture. Okay, so that's how your readability adjustment work. Okay, anytime if you wish to delete it, you have this delete header option. If I click, it's gone, but I know how to get it back. Okay, so before we proceed to edit our site, we will explore the themes option or tabs we have over here. You see in the right hand corner, this themes tab. I will just click on it. Themes are basically the basic design and color combination for your site. They have a handful of them. Like this is the simple one. Here you can change it to Aristotle, which is, you see the difference between the previous one and this one. It just changes your base font and all. And then you have a handful of this also. It's up to you, whichever you wish to just select. Let's keep it Aristotle, or I like the simple one. Okay, down below you have these colors at your disposal, or even if you wish to make your own color, you have this color picker thing to choose from. You have this range of color. Okay, then you can change the gradient of the thing. And obviously you have three font style to choose from, which is very few. This is classic one and this is the heavy one. Let's keep the heavy one. Okay. Okay. I have just clicked on reset. Okay. So that's how it will look. Let me just delete this thing. We will design the site from scratch. I mean, all of our own. So I will just go back to the insert option, and I just want to add one or insert one image to this site, image of mine. Okay, for that I'm going to click on the images option. And obviously to upload from your device, you have to click on upload option, the first option we get. So I have this picture of mine over here. You see, this is it. You can crop it. I'm just exploring the option attached to this. So first option is to crop. You can crop it anytime. You see, I can crop it anytime, as much I wish. And the second option is just the opposite, is to uncrop the whole thing. If I ever uncrop the thing get back to the normal picture. And the third one is obviously to insert a link. We know how to insert a link. In the morning session, we just learned how to insert a link in anywhere. I mean, in a text, in an image, we can do it anywhere. Obviously, we will explore it later. I won't skip it. And the third option is to delete the tile. If I delete it, the picture gets deleted. But I know I will get it back. And if I click on the more option, here we get a menu, a pop-up menu is here. The first one is to replace the image. We can replace the image by exactly the same way we have uploaded it. Okay. And obviously the second option is the alt text option. Now we know what is alt text. Basically, I just explained you a while before. It's whenever the user is facing a network issue and picture doesn't show up or load, then the alt text is shown over there, like this is pp's picture. Okay. And if you just stick it, this is a decorative image. There is no need to explain what is a picture is all about. Okay. So it's up to you whether if you wish to put it or not. These are purely optional, by the way. I'm just exploring the thing for you. Okay. Okay. And obviously there is a chance to add a caption. Now see, there is one text box added to add a caption. I can write my name over there. Okay, now what is the difference between caption and alt text? Alt text is shown in the place of picture when the picture doesn't load, but caption is always shown below the picture. Whether the picture loads or not, the caption will be there. Okay, so let me just delete it now. I don't need any caption right now. I just want to drag the picture to the header section. And for that, I'm going to just place my cursor on the picture. You see, it has become one four-headed arrow. Now it's the time to drag it up. And I'm placing my pictures over here so that anyone visits my site gets to see my picture at the first. Okay, now I need to introduce myself to the visitor. For that, we need a text box to write something about me. Okay, so from insert, I am just clicking on this text box option we are getting over here. Okay, so click on the text box option. What should I write? My name, right? Olomipal. Okay, and obviously enter faculty. I mean, you can write anything about yourself. Department of Computer Science. Okay, another one, KK College. Okay, I'm just write KKTC. Okay, now we will just explore the options we have here. Like the first one is to change the size of the text. Like if I just select this Polmipal thing and I choose heading, you see it has changed to a different kind of font. If I make it title, it's even bigger now. Okay. Okay, it's automatically got bold. You can make it italic also. You can change its alignment. This is the alignment option. Okay. And obviously this is the insert link option. And if you ever wish to clear all the formatting we have on it, just press this. Okay. All the formatting, like it was italic, it was made italic by this. And if I cleared the formatting, it went. And obviously you can delete this whole tile actually. So let me just decorate it a bit, like subheading. And obviously this one also. Oh, it's not looking very good. And select the whole thing and make it center. Anytime you can resize it. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, now I also need this thing also to put over here. So I have just put it over here. Okay, it's looking odd by the way. So I need to change it. Okay, now it's looking good. So that's how we can place the text over the header and all. So I think the home page thing is pretty much done. I don't want to put anything else in this page. So let's preview it, right? And we have to preview it from here. Here we won't get the eye-shaped option. Rather, we get this option. If I click it, you see, when the site is viewed in a laptop or in a desktop, the site will look like this. If I wish to view it on a tablet, it will look like this. And even if I want to get one phone view, how it will look in one Android phone, it will look like this. So you can get all the view over here. Okay. And if you wish to exit the preview, you have this cross option over here in the down right corner. If you follow my mouse cursor, you can see it. Okay. Okay. So as the page is done, let's add a few more pages, right? So for that, we need to click on the pages option. I have clicked on the pages option, and down below we have this plus sign. I mean, this gives us two options. One is to add one new link and another to a new page. If you have a already created website, you can link it with this website also. Then only you have to click on new link. You have to provide the link of the previous website. But I am going to add pages to websites. So that's why I will click on the second. So they're asking me to put a name to this page, actually web page. So let me name it about me. Okay. Again, some few more pages, right? The same way, study material. Okay. Online test. We have made a few online tests yesterday and today, right? So we will place them over here. Online test and routine. Yes, my student needs to know the routine of the classes they have to attend. And obviously the last one, to contact me. How can they get into touch with me? Okay. Or should I write contact me? Okay. To edit the name, no. You just need to double tap on the page name. Just double tap over here and you can edit this. Okay. We are pretty much sorted. These are the few pages we will create here today. Okay. Okay, as we have just added the pages, you can see a new gear option is shown over here. It was not here previously. And this is known as the navigation settings. Now, what is a navigation pane? You see the names of the pages are shown over here, or even from the more option, you see 3 or 4 more page names are popping out. So this is known as the navigation pane. And you can customize this navigation pane by clicking on this navigation setting option. You can get it from here. Okay, if I click it, you see you can change the color and the designing of this whole thing. Like the navigation pane is right now is showing on the top, we can put it on the side. You see this 3 dashes over here, this is actually navigation pane. It was over here previously, and obviously for I will put it on the top only. It was now created as transparent, but we can also make it white. You see, this is white now, and also make it black. This is up to you, whatever you choose. Okay, so that's how our navigation pane thing works. Okay, let me just now put something over here in the about me section. First, we need to change the image. I'm not going to repeat the image again. Uh, what should I place? Okay, this one. Okay, till it adjusts the readability, let me just move to the next portion. I'm just going to add one text box over here. This is the procedure is the same. Click on insert and then on text box. Now I'm going to write something about my working experience and educational qualification. The first should be working experience. Okay. Working as a faculty of computer science from, I think, 2018. Yes, 2018. Okay, so we need to change the styles of the fonts, right? So let it be heading and at a subheading. Okay, it's looking pretty much good. Now we have explored this option, right? I mean the alignment, the bold and italic things. Okay, we have explored these things, but we haven't explored this option over here, which are just placed just in front of the section. The first option is the section background. It changes the color or the background of the selected section. Just let me show you how it changes the color. You see, it has changes to a even darker gray. It has changes to blue, or even you can select and upload one image like anything. Where's the blue one? Yes. Okay. And obviously, next to it, we have this duplicate section option. Same as duplicating a question, it duplicates the whole section with all the text on it. Okay. And obviously, the last one is nothing but to delete it. If you delete it, it's gone. I will just get it back. And you see this little 8 dots over here, just over here. If I place my mouse over here, you can see it has become the four-headed mouse. So we can make it up and down. We can actually drag it by clicking on it. Okay. So I will just change it to educational qualification. Okay. And not subheading, like let's make it, okay, it's too small, normal text. Okay. So past MSc in computer science in 2017. Yes. And in 2015. Yes. Okay. Now, one thing I just want you to know, that is we can add bullets also. If I just click on this numbered list thing, you see, 1 2, the bullet numbered list is here. If you ever wish to put bullets, you will click on the next option. That's why I have written two different thing over here. So anytime you can just add them. Okay. uh, I should change the image. Hmm. Okay. So working experience and educational qualification is typed over there. I should proceed to the next page. You can also make two different pages for working experience and another one for educational qualification. It is up to you, but I don't have that much time to show you in two different pages. That's why I will move to the next page, that is study mat. And over here now, we are not going to keep this. We are not going to keep this cover. So I will just delete it. So what I will place over here is the image carousel. And this is a very beautiful thing. You will really enjoy. Okay. I will just click on the plus sign. And over here, I will upload some images from my device. Like, yes, this one. I'm just selecting multiple pictures with clicking Control and click. Okay. You can do it one by one also. If I ever wish to upload another one, just click same way. Click on upload. And do I have anything else? Okay, this one. Okay. And you can also change the order of the pictures. Just click it and drag. Okay, that's how we can also change the order of them. So there are two options. If you just put your cursor on them, there are two options. One is to remove the image if you ever wish to delete one image, and another one is to add alt text or caption. Now we know both what is an alt text and what is an caption. What is a caption? I am not intended to put any of them. So I will just move to the settings portion. Okay, over here we have the settings portion. Okay, the first option is asking whether we want to show the dots below the picture. I mean, the dots will be proportionate to the number of picture in the carousel. Okay, I don't want any dots over there. Obviously, no captions also needed. Whether we wish them to start automatically. Yes, we will wish to start to automatically. And the speed of the transition. Very slow, slow, medium, and fast. I will keep it medium. And insert. You see, we need to resize this thing. It's up to you how much you will resize. Okay. So I think that's...
Ma'am,
Let's...
can you please repeat this once from
Yes,
the
ma'am.
beginning part?
From the beginning.
No,
I mean,
not just changing the image part only.
okay, okay, ma'am. Surely I will do that. First, let me just show you the preview. You see, that's how the images will change automatically. Okay. So as someone just asked me to show it once again, what I did is to insert and scroll down and add one image carousel. If you ever wish to change the images, you will have this dialog box. If you wish to insert or change the image, whatever you do, you will have this dialog box. From here, if you click on the plus icon, you can upload one image like this one I have uploaded. If you wish to delete one, you can delete any of them of your choice. If I am going to delete it, it's gone. Okay. That's how. And from the settings portion, we have a few options over here, like to show dots just below the pictures, even show some captions if you wish to put something, whether if you wish to auto start the carousel and the speed of the carousel. Okay, if I just update and show you now, you see the pictures will move very fast. And you see the dots just below it. This is the show dots option. Okay. I personally not very fond of this show dot thing. So let me
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
change. Okay, you're welcome. Not very fast, but put it medium. So coming back to the main part. Here, no, we are going to add two more pages. Rather, you can call it sub pages. I mean, I'm going to add books as well as videos. So I want two different web pages under this study mat page to actually upload two different kind of videos. So from the pages option, we are going to click on the study mat page. Okay, under which page we want this sub pages to. So if I click on the three dots option, down below we have this add sub page option. If I click on add sub page, you have to put a name. Let one be for books and another be
Madam,
yes,
madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I have a question. That when we are uploading the picture, should we first download the picture from the net, or at the same time we can download it from the any link or anything?
Okay, okay, ma'am. Let me just show you now. Okay, okay, we are here. I will just explain your query later one, just after a few minutes. So we are here in the study mat option. Now I am going to put two buttons. I mean, student have to come to this page, click on this button to get directed to the required page. So how will we do that is to create on the insert page option, drag it down. You see the button option over here? If I click on it, we have to obviously put something on the name like books. And obviously a link where the person will get directed to. Like I wish the person should be get directed to the books. If you wish to get get directed to any Google Drive option, put a link of Google Drive or anything. Okay. So, and hit insert. If I hit insert, you see, this is the button we get. And obviously a few options are also there, like the filled option. This is the outlined button we get, and this is without any outline, only the button. So I think I like the outlined option. Okay, again I am inserting the same thing, like clicking on the button, I will place a video on it, and it will be directed to the videos page. So I am just scrolling down and clicking on the videos option. Okay, let's make it a bit, and I'm just dragging and placing it just beside it. Okay, should I just change the, yes, this is looking very good. And obviously there is a thing called divider. You see, it's nothing but one decorative rule. You can place it between two different sections. Like if I click it, you see this divider thing is here. I will just hover my mouse on the starting of the rule, and see, the divider comes in between these two sections. Okay, I mean, it's purely optional, but I should show you, no? Okay, so what did I say? When the person clicks on the book option, they will be navigated to the books pages. So I should decorate the books page, right? So I must go there. You see, there is no header. That's because the page, the parent page, study material didn't have one header. So that's why we need to add a header. And to add a header, we need to just place my mouse near the navigation pane. You see the add a header option, this plus option. If you click it, you can upload the, and now you get the header options. Okay, so someone just asked me about uh, whether we can upload pictures from Google, or even by placing URLs, right? So let me show you one thing. I will just change the image by a different method, by Google Drive, but I don't have any picture right now. So what I will do now, I will put the URL from Google of the, I mean, put the URL of the picture, search from Google, and the picture will be automatically get embedded over here. And for that, I'm just going to Google a picture of bookshelf. Let's see, images. Uh, should I write books? Yes. Okay. Uh, oops, sorry. I think this one is really good. So what we have to do is to just right click with your mouse. You see the copy image address? Just click it on here, come back, paste it over here, and select. Okay, so no need of downloading things in your device. You can easily get it from Google anytime. Okay, and you can also Google it from here also. If I wish to Google it, you have this search option from Google. You can change to Google and Live. Okay, it's up to you whether if you wish to Google it from here or from the main bar. Okay, so that's how we can add pictures. Now we should add some books, right? Now what I have to do, I have many books on C programming, on data structure, on Java. I have many books and notes in my G drive, or even in my computer. I just wish to place a chart of them. So whenever the students comes and hits the name of the book, clicks on the name of the book, the person will be redirected to the book, or they can download the book. So what I have just inserted is called one collapsible text. Now, what is collapsible text? I will show you. Let me just write the name over here. The first book name should be C programming book. Okay. And data structure, DS. Sorry, books on Okay. Okay, so let me show you what is actually a collapsible text. Let me show you the preview. You see this one, the small arrow over here. If I click on it, the list is visible to us. That's how the collapsible text works. Okay, that's how I took the collapsible text from the menu bar. This is the first menu under the insert option. Okay. Okay, first let me link the books. No, to link the books, we need to use the insert link option. I'm just selecting the name of the book, and over here we have this insert link option. Remember, we have just done it in the morning session, how to link. And I'm just going to search my G drive whether I have some book or not. I surely have, I think. Okay. So yes, this is the C programming book I was talking about. So what you need to do is just tap on the book, and you will get this get shareable link thing in the drop down, or even on the ribbon, on the top of your ribbon. Okay. So I will just click on get shareable link. And as you can see, anyone with the link can view the document. So I'm going to copy the link, come back to my page and place it over here and apply. The same thing I will do with the DS book. I'm going to select it. I'm going to insert one link, come back to your G drive. I think I had one. Yes, this one. So this is the DS book I was talking about. Copy the link and done. Come back, paste the link over here and apply. Let's see the preview. How does it look? And before that, we are going to change the color, please. Okay. I should change the preview thing. You see, the C programming book and books on DS are written over here. I'm just clicking on the C programming book. This is the C programming book I have provided. Okay, I can scroll it through. And over here, we have this download option. If I click it, it will directly get downloaded. But right now, I'm not going to download it. Okay, the same thing will happen for the DS book. Okay, so this is the DS book. Okay, now I'm just exiting my preview. Coming back to our page, we can also embed a book, a whole book into our web page. I mean, student can only, they don't need to click any link. They can only read the book into your site only. For that, we just need to click on the drive option. You see this drive option in the insert tab. I'm just hovering my mouse on. Just click on the drive option. Click on recents. You see, I can choose any of them. I'm choosing the C programming book. Choose the book and insert. The whole book will be shown over here. You can also adjust the size of the thing. Actually, the reader. Okay. Okay. Increasing the size. Okay. Now have a preview. I'm just clicking on the preview thing. Scroll down a bit. You see, the whole book is shown over here. I can even scroll it down. I'm scrolling it down. You see, I can read the book over here only. So that's the edge of having this Google site.
Ma'am, will you please repeat this part once again? How to bring the book directly without the link?
Okay. For that, ma'am, you have to just click on this drive option. Choose the desired book. Just let it open. Click on that and insert. Okay, that's how you can get the desired book. And obviously, you have to resize it. You have this dots around this thing. You can just anytime increase and decrease the size of the viewer. Okay. So that's how this thing works. You can anytime delete this book like by clicking this delete tile option. Okay. So as we have embedded couple of books in our web page, we must go forward to the videos option. And now see one thing, the books and the videos page are showing in the navigation pane. After adding videos to the page, I am going to hide these two pages from the navigation pane. That will be only shown when you click on the study mat and you have to click on the buttons to go to the pages. Okay, I'm going to do such things to the pages. Okay, we are going to add videos to this page, right? And to add videos, I'm going to use a layout. You see, we have this layouts. I'm just clicking over here. You see, under insert tab in this layout section, we got this number of layouts. These layouts are nothing but small placeholders, and they can contain anything. I mean anything. Anything means anything. Any book, any calendar, any map, or any video, anything. Okay. So they are multifunctional, by the way. So let me just add something, some of my YouTube video lectures that I have prepared for my students. For that, I'm just going to click on this plus icon. And you see, I can upload it from my device also, but right now I don't have anything in my device. I'm just going to a YouTube option. And you can also search any video, but I am not a very renowned YouTuber, so I don't think my videos will come in search. Okay, so I'm just going to add my first video which I made. I can write anything. This is a linked list lecture. So linked list lecture 1. You can write anything over here, or simply you can delete it. Same way, click on plus icon, click on the YouTube tab, go to the uploaded section. Choose the second or whatever video if you wish to just add. This is my linked list video 2. Okay, that's how we can actually put our YouTube lectures or our videos over here. You can anytime, the options are same with this, like change the color. And as I told you, we can actually add anything in that placeholder. Is it true or false? Let's check. I can actually add a book over here in this placeholder. You see, I will just add this book in this placeholder. So placeholder, actually the multifunctional placeholder. You see, the book is here. I can also add one calendar. Okay. So anything you can add here. But right now it's the videos page, right? So we will just keep videos over here. So as I was talking about hiding pages, so let's hide some pages, right? I wish to hide these two sub pages from the navigation pane. I mean, they won't show up here. The student has to come over, visit my website, hit the study mat page, and from there, the person will get two buttons to navigate it to books and videos pages. I don't want to access these pages directly. So that's why I am going to click on the more option associated with the page name. You see this 3 dots associated with books page. I'm just clicking on it. The second last option is to hide from navigation. You see, only videos is showing over here. Now I am also now changing. This is also will be hided from navigation. That's how we can hide some pages from navigation. It doesn't mean that these pages are deleted. These pages are there, but it won't show up in the navigation. We have to click on the certain menu to get navigated. Like I have to click on the buttons to get navigated to this pages. Okay, that's how this navigation things work. Okay, let's move to the next page. Like that was the online test thing, right? So what should I do? Should I change the image? Mm, okay, something like this. Okay. Now we have created ample of online test today, like auto graded, semi auto graded. Okay. What about placing the whole form in the same wage page, so that you don't need to provide the link to the students every time? They can visit your site and see the form over there. They can perform the test here only and submit and go. To do that, no, we have to just click on the insert tab, scroll down a bit. The second last option we have is forms. Just click over here. It will show each and every form I own in my G Drive. It will take a time as there are a lot of things over there. What about? Okay, a lot of things are there. Let's use this one. Okay, sorry, this is not my form. We can, it's owned by someone else. Let me just change it. Where is the OWS demo? Yeah, this one. Okay, as you can see, the whole form is embedded over here. I can resize it anytime. Let me just resize it a bit. Let's show it till submit and see the preview. If I scroll down, you see I can actually write the answer over here. I can actually put the answer. Okay. What is a CPU? Uh, okay. I will just write something gibberish. How many types of arrays are there in C? Basically two. And choose the correct searching techniques using data structure. Tiger is obviously carnivore, cow herbivore, and man omnivore. And write an essay on a national animal. I don't know why I have put this MCQ type question, I mean option over here. And among this, choose the mammal. Cow is mammal. And here you see I can submit directly from here only. I don't need any link to follow and all. Just click on submit and I am done. You see your response has been recorded. You can also submit another response. Let's exit the preview. So it's very easy, you know. Whenever you make a new test, just embed it over here and ask the student, come and visit my site and attempt the test. So half of your job is already done. Okay, so move to the next page. What we have is routine. Now we have made one departmental routine in the morning, right? So what about embedding the routine over here only? So to embed the routine, we have to click insert, scroll down and click docs. As the routine is in docs form, if you made the routine in sheets, so you have to click on sheets. Okay, you can embed anything. So I'm just clicking on docs. Let's see. Yes, this one, the departmental routine. I'm just tapping on this and clicking insert. Okay, time to resize it. So our student can see the whole routine at a place. Okay, let's see. How does it look? It will, okay. Okay. I can also open this document into another tab. Like I can just click on this new window option. This is giving me an editing option because I'm the owner of the thing. But if you are the viewer, you will get the viewing option only. Okay. Let's stop the preview. Okay, and what about adding one calendar consisting all the departmental calendar and obviously holidays of India? So for that, no, we are just clicking on the calendar option. You see the calendar option? They will show you all the calendar, I mean possible calendars, like all the classrooms I have, these calendars also. So I just wish to add this calendar, and other calendars is holidays in India. So we can actually mix up calendars and make one master calendar for the department. Okay, like there is calendar for SEM 3, SEM 2, SEM 1. We can mix them up and make one master calendar in few clicks. Click on insert. I have to just resize it. You see, this is showing on today we have one assignment due, so students also gets notified, I mean check from here whether they have any assignment due in a couple of days and all. So we can view the calendar from here. We have some settings also associated with this. So if I just click on the settings option, we can anytime check off the show title option. You see, there is no title provided here. Before it was showing something ICT, e-Adhyayan, this thing. No, if you are making one master calendar, which you shouldn't show different title names. If you wish the date to be shown over here, like Monday, August 17, you can also anytime uncheck this. Look, there is no date shown over here. So I should check it on. And obviously there is some navigation button over here. These two navigation button, if you turn it off, they will be gone. Look, there is no navigation button provided. And obviously, if you wish to show your time zone, you can show your time zone, I mean Indian time zone. If you wish to show viewers time zone, then their time zone will be selected. And obviously the view mode, you can change the view mode anytime. Like I wish the calendar will be shown in month style. So let me show you how does it look. Okay, you see it has changed to this. I should show you the preview. This looks like this, and student can see, you can see you have one assignment due on 19th on Wednesday. Okay, so they can see all the national holidays along with the assignments they have due in course. Okay, so that's how you can actually embed one whole calendar in your routine section. Okay, let's go back to another page. I should change this thing. I have a very pretty picture, by the way, to upload. Yes, where it is? Where's the routine thing? Yes, here it is. Okay, so the picture got uploaded. No, I don't want the readability adjustment. Okay, let's move to the last page, which is the contact me page. What if the student wish to contact us? And how they can contact us? Obviously by sending us mail, or even you can give your YouTube ID or channel ID over here, so they can anytime visit your channel. Okay, so we can make this contact us thing. I'm going to change the image. I find it very amusing changing the images. Okay. Oh, no, not this. I have also one image downloaded over here. Yes. So no need of this style. Okay. Now let's insert one text box, right? I need to write my mail. So you can mail me at mail me at I should write my mail ID. Okay, it's written over here. And what if we make something like if the student hits my mail ID, they will already navigated to they'll be navigated to any mailing app like Outlook or Gmail, whatever they have in their computer or in their mobile, they will be already navigated to that. And for that now we don't need to do anything. Just select your mail ID and click on this insert link thing. Just select that and do this. You see a small underline thing over here. Let me just increase the size. Yes. Now you can see one underline just below my mail ID. So students, whenever students just hit this my mail ID, now they will be forwarded to either to Gmail or to Outlook, whatever thing they have in their computer. And obviously change the background. Most important thing for me. This should be in center. Okay, looking very pretty. Let me just add one divider too. Okay, and obviously I have my own YouTube channel. So for that promotion is needed, right? So I'm just going to add one image of mine. So anybody, when anybody just hits on my image, they will be directed to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is the customized picture. Okay, and now you see the insert link option. I am going to do the same. First, let me just go to my YouTube and get me the link of my channel. Okay, I need to get the link of my channel. Here you can get the link of your channel. I'm going to copy it and come back, click on insert link, paste and apply. So whenever now on, whenever someone just clicks on this picture, they will be redirected to the YouTube channel. Let me just also change the background. It's looking very drab. I don't have anything in my G drive. I should upload. Okay, this one. Okay, so that's how it's looking very good. And let's see the preview, right? This is the contact me thing. If I scroll down and whenever I just click on my picture, I'll be redirected to my channel. Not me, but the visitor. Okay. So that's how the contact me page is looking. Okay, we have a very few things left now. I mean, and the most important among them is the announcement banner. If I just click on the settings thing, you see the settings thing over here, the gear option. If I just click over here, the last option we get is announcement banner. Now, announcement banner is a kind of banner or ribbon like thing that shows on the top of our site. Like any notice you wish to put over there, you can write in the announcement banner. And to create that, just you need to click on show banner. Change the banner color. I mean, anything of your choice. I should keep it. Put a message over there like you have uploaded a new test. You wish the student to just come and attempt the test. So you can change it to uh, attempt the test before Sorry. Mm, 19th, 8, 20. And obviously, it's purely optional if you wish to put a button or not. If you wish the person to get directed to another site or not, this button thing is purely optional. You can also just go with the message thing also. Okay, so attempt now. Whenever you write something in the button label, no, they ask you for the link. So I wish them to get directed to the online test thing. Okay, and here is a two option. One is to open in a new tab, whether you wish the page to be opened in the same tab or in a new tab, that's up to you. If I just click on the new tab, the page will be opened in a new tab. And visibility of the banner, where the banner will be shown. If you wish the banner will be shown in the home page only, you will just click on the home page only thing. And if you wish the banner will be shown to all of the pages, at the top of all of the pages, you will click all pages. Right now I just want to show you it on the home page only. So let's see the preview, right? You see, there is no banner as this is not my home page. I have to go to the home page. And if I click on my home page, you see this is the banner I was talking about. This is the message we have put over there, and a small button is with that. If I click, in another tab, the online test page opens where your student or even you can attempt the test. The latest test I have uploaded. Okay. So that's how this banner thing happens. Okay. Okay, so a few more things, right? So the first thing among them is to share with others. Now, as we are making our personal site or rather portfolio, so right now there is no need of actually to collaborating with someone. But in case you are designing it for your department or your college, you have to collaborate with your colleagues so that they can also contribute in the site. So I'm just collaborating with my co-resource persons right now. For that, I'm just clicking on this share with other option, the option just before the gear option, the settings option. Okay, I'm just clicking on here. You can just add people by typing in there. This is same, the typing in their name, like principal sir, MKB sir, and RP ma'am. You can also put a message to them. Change their role, whether they are the published viewer or the editor. You can anytime change their role and send. Okay, you see people added. It's showing over there. And another one is to see the to duplicate the site. Now this is very important, as you are just attending this workshop, and after that you are going to make your own website, right? So what about if your colleague asks, okay, you have made a website for you yourself, what, please do make a website for me also. So what you are going to do, you are not going to sit for 2 hours or more to make his or her website. Okay, so to save your time, what you can do is you can duplicate your site. Just click on the more option, click on the duplicate site thing. They will duplicate the full site, and make it for you, like copy of Polomipal UC demo. And you can also change the folder or destination of the copied site. And they are asking whether you wish to share the thing with the same editors. Like I have just added a few people right now, no? So whether you wish to share this thing with the same editor, I don't just want to share the thing with same editor. So I will just hit on duplicate. They will copy the site. Okay, they will send me an email when the copy thing is done. So what you can do is copy the site, make a handful of append the copied site and give that to the person. Okay. So the last thing we have is to publish the site. And this is very important because right now, till now, your site is not published. No one can view the site. So to make it published, I mean, make it public, we just need to click on publish. You see the web address, and the whole web address is actually https sites.google.com. Under that, your site name. Okay, you can put your name also or any custom thing. But remember one thing, your site is not will be not available in any public domain. Like if I just search Polmi Pal in Google, they won't suggest my site over there, because you have to host it somewhere before that, and hosting is a costly thing. You have to buy your own domain, and it needs 3,000 or 4,000 rupees. Okay, so we are just making one private site. Whenever you just provide this website link to anyone, they can come and view your site. Okay, so this is the web address we have provided. Who can view my site? This is right now anyone. You can change it to links value. Okay, so it's up to you. I will be share with anyone with the link and publish. Okay, you see our site has been published successfully. Actually, my site. Okay, you see, till now this link option was inactive because our site was not published. So how would I just provide a link to my website? This is the published link, and if you wish to share your website link, you just need to click on it here, copy the link and give it to the person you wish to share with. Okay, okay, there is some more option, a few more. Like you have this a small drop down option from here. You can change the publish settings anytime you wish. The same dialog box will open. Okay, and you can review if you just change anything. If I just wish to change to computer science, comp science to computer science, you have to review the changes and publish. Now they will show you the changes I have made. I have made it Department of Computer Science, whereas it was previously written as, currently published as Science. Okay, so they will show you the difference you made this time. Okay, before publishing. I need to publish it again. So when you publish your site, the first thing you need to remember is, if you append your site, if you ever edit your site, you need to publish it again before closing it. Okay, every time you make a change to your site, you need to publish it before you close it. Okay, so and the last one is unpublish. Now there is a difference between deleting your site and unpublish. If you delete your site, like just go to your Google Drive. Your site is stored in Google Drive, by the way. You see the copy of Polomi UC demo is over here only. I'm just going to delete it. So for that, just let me. Okay. 1 minute, please. Okay. So I'm just going to delete it. I have selected the website and I need to click on this delete option. If I delete it, it will be removed and it will get totally deleted. It won't be here in my Google Drive. But if you ever unpublish it, I'm unpublishing my site. If you ever unpublish it, it will still be in your G Drive. Whenever you wish to publish it again, you can publish it. Okay, you're just taking it off from public's view. Okay, so this is the difference between unpublishing one site and deleting it. Okay, I'm not just unpublishing it. I will provide this link I will provide this link to your chat box. To you all can also see how the site is looking. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, can you repeat the hiding part? Okay, let me just repeat the hiding part. Basically, what you can do is, no, I'm just showing navigation. Okay, you see this in the navigation pane, the pages are showing right now under study mat thing. Okay, all the pages, it can happen with all the pages. But if I wish that this two pages won't be available in the navigation pane, the user has to visit the study mat page. Then from there they will be navigated to these pages. Then what I have to do is to take down from them from the navigation pane. For that, I'm just going to click on the three dots associated with that page, like books and their own three dots. From here, I will just click on the second last option, which is hide from navigation. I'm just hiding it from navigation. And same thing I'm doing with videos also, hide it from navigation. Okay. And as I have made some slight changes over here, I must publish it. Okay. I have not done anything. It was previously hidden also. That's why. Okay. So sites is done. Thank you all. Thank you for all your cooperation. That's all.
Thank you, Polumi. Is there any question? If not, then we'll go to our next program. Thank you, Polumi.
Thank
Just
you,
take rest
sir.
for some time.
Hello.
Yes, Gautam.
Hello.
Kumar. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I am from assistant professor from Ulubedia College. Ma'am, may I request you to show the beginning part of the website, how to enter into the website, because I have missed this due to the net connection. At the beginning part, how to enter into the site.
Okay, how to create a site. So this is very easy. Let me just show my screen again. Okay. Just okay. From anywhere, just from the address bar, no. Just type sites.new. Okay, and hit enter. You see a blank site has been created. Okay, and if you wish to do it from the Google Drive, just open the Google Drive. Click on the new option, this big plus sign. Click on more, and over here you have this Google site option. Okay, it's the same as the creation of forms. Okay. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I am Abhishek Singh Gupta from Verumachandra College.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, you told that after publishing the site, we can see the fab icon.
Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
But
I will show you. I will show you. You see now my fab icon, the little P over there? It's the little one. You see?
yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Hello, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
actually, due to my Wi-Fi problem, I have missed the first 20 minutes. And then may I have the recorded version? Actually,
yes, you will get it. This link will be given in the classroom. Okay. After completion of this workshop,
okay.
all the links will be given to your classroom.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay.
So now I think it was nice presentation by Paulomi. So all of you have enjoyed this one. And now once again Rituparna will come for YouTube creation. Rituparna.
Thank you, sir. Very good afternoon, all of you. And once I'm back, and in this session, I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel, upload a video, and go live. Okay. So let me first present my screen. So is it visible?
No, take down not. Yes. It is visible now.
Okay.
Visible.
Okay. Okay, it is taking some time. Okay. Now, in order to create your YouTube channel, is that I go to this magic box and then I select the YouTube. Okay, just click on this YouTube. Okay. Now, for creating any YouTube account, you have to remember one thing, that whatever is your Gmail account, that is suppose mine is ritwanapal@gmail.com, that is itself your YouTube channel, YouTube account. Okay. So whenever you click on this YouTube application, your it will show your icon over here. That is that icon. That is your own email ID. That is your Gmail ID. Now, I have one Gmail ID, and under that I can create as many as channel I wish to create. Okay. So suppose I'm creating one channel for my education purpose, another for traveling purpose. So I will not go on creating another my Gmail account. So under one Gmail account, I can create as many as channel I wish. Okay. So let us see how to do it. See, if I click on this my icon, you can see that it is showing me option that your channel. See, this is the Gmail address through which my YouTube account is linked. So I just click on my your channel option. So this is my channel where many of the videos are uploaded. Okay. Now what I will do is that suppose I want to create a new channel. Now this particular is the name of my channel. That is Ritupanapal is the name of my channel I have created. Now if I want to create a new channel, what I will do is that I'll just click on it and go to the settings option. See this one. Okay. Now if I click on the setting option, here I can see there is three things written over here. One is channel status, features, add or manage your channel, and view advanced settings. In order to create a new channel, mind it, I am repeating, I am telling about your adding a new channel. That is, I will select this add or manage your channel option. Okay. Now you can see this were actually, these are all the channels which have been created under my Gmail account. Okay. So what if I want to create a new channel? So I will just click on it, create a new channel option. See, I have to type a new channel name. So let me type something like I just write down new channel name, that is KKDC and Uluberia College, and I will just create it. Okay. Please bear with me because while doing work in the YouTube, it takes some time. Okay. Okay. So open in over here. You can see that this is my channel name. Okay. So I need to customize my channel. See, it doesn't look good. So what I will do, I will just click on this customize channel option to customize this particular channel. See, when I click on it, it is asking for me to add a channel art. So I will just click on this add channel art. If I want to give any picture over there, so I just go to gallery and I select one of the picture. So it will show you desktop, TV or mobile view. I will just select this desktop and I will just select the option select. See, it has been updated. Okay. Now, if you want to give any icon over here, icon means you see that this was my picture, thumbnail actually. So if you want to upload any of your thumbnail, then what you can do, you just click on this icon. Okay, it will take some time. See. So I will just upload a photo. So let me just choose a photo from my device. Just wait a minute. Okay. So if I go to the download option, I can see, let me see what image I have. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Let me go to my picture one and see whether I have anything over there. Okay. I go to my picture folder. I just select it and I just select this one, okay? Or something, you can also select this one too. So just open it. So that is a thumbnail. It can be your own picture also, okay? So I'm done with it. Just click on done. Okay. So see, this was my channel. So I will just go back to my channel. Okay, click on it. It will be uploaded. This particular things will be uploaded. It takes some time. Okay. So I have shown you how to create your channel. Like this way you can create as many as channel you wish. Now what if I want to upload anything? That is upload a video, pre-recorded video. Okay. So in order to upload your video, if you come over here, you can see over here this icon. Okay. So if you click on this, you will get two options. One is for go live, another one is for upload video. So I just select on upload video option. Okay. So I have to upload a video over here, which is already pre-recorded. So I have to, it will browse from my device. So let me select one of the video. It takes some time, okay. Okay. Has redirected me. Wait a minute, please. Wait a minute, please. Let me go back to my channel. So okay, you can see over here that by default it has taken the channel I have just created right now. Okay, so if I click on it and I go to your channel, you can see that it will redirect me to the channel which I have created. See this one. Okay, so if I want to upload a video, what I will do, I will select this option and upload a video. I will select upload video option. So let me again try to upload a video. This YouTube actually takes some time. Okay, now you can see there is a select files option. Okay, when you click on this select file option, it will redirect you to your device to select a video you want to upload. Okay, see. So what I will do is I will choose one of the video. I will take a video which wait. Tutorial. Okay, this is a video I'm taking is a very short time so that it can be uploaded faster. So whenever you are trying to make your own YouTube video, it is easily uploaded if it is of small size. So in order to make it easily available or uploaded, try to make it a small size video of 5 to 10 minutes, so it will be easier. Now, when I try to upload my video, they are asking me for the title. Okay. By default, my name of the video was something level 1 tutorial. So I'll just change this thing. I can write my own name. That is, I can write name that is stack. And I can give a description over here, like suppose insertion and deletion operation, which is regarding this particular video. Okay, if I scroll down, okay, I have scrolled. Okay, now you can see what is this thumbnail. Actually, when the video is when you search for a video, you can see there is one picture. This is still picture which is shown in the video. Okay, before the video is actually start playing. So you can choose any thumbnail of your choice, or you can also select one of the thumbnail from your videos which you have just tried to upload. So I just select this one as my thumbnail. Okay, so this one will be shown as my in the video. So then I have to go for it that whether it is for kids or no, it is not meant for kids. So it is not actually meant for kids. So I just scroll down and then I will go to the next option. When I go to the next option, now it might ask me to more write promote related content during a video. I do not have such kind of promote related videos, so I will just ignore this one and I will go to the next option, that is the visibility. Now in the visibility, there is a 3 option, that is one is private, unlisted and public. If you want to keep that particular video for yourself and for some person you want to share, then you have to choose this private option. And if you want your video to be viewed by anyone with a link, then it is your unlisted option. And to make it a public, that anyone can, anyone who is searching in the YouTube, anyone can, any public can view. So you will choose this public option. So after that, I will just select this publish button. And once I do, then it will get uploaded in my channel. Okay. Okay. See, it has been published and I can also share my link if I wished. Okay. So I want to share it right now. So I just close this one. Okay. Now you can see that one of my video is uploaded. Okay. You can see here this video is uploaded, this visibility is public. Okay, now if you want to delete that particular video, you can also just choose this three dot option, and you can also delete forever. Okay, so this is how you going to upload a video. Now another thing is that you can see that this was my channel name, right? What if I have some other channel also? So if you want to switch to other channel, then just select the switch account option. Okay, so when you select the switch account option, it will redirect you to all the channels that is present under your Gmail ID. Now what I want to show you that how to go live in the YouTube. Now when you try to go live in the YouTube, it takes a 24 hours time for a verification. Okay, so suppose you just see what I do. If I want to go live, I select this go live option. Okay, so when I select this go live option, it will be redirect me to the studio. See, now it has asked me that you have to verify your accounts to for going live. So it takes time of 12 to 24 hours for verification. After only the verification is done, then only you can go for live. Okay, so you can choose the give me a text me the verification code. So if you select on this text me the verification code, it will ask you for your phone number. If you have to provide your number, and they will give you OTP. So once you submit, it will get automatically verified. Now in order to go live, I want to show you another thing, that is, let me show you some other channel where I have a permission to go live right now. So let me go back to my own channel. Okay, so in order to go back to my channel, or another thing is that what if you want to see whether your channel is actually it is like whether it is enabled for your video or not, you can go to this setting option, and if you go to this channel features, advanced settings. No, it is not a feature enability. See, I can upload a video. See, it is enabled written over here that this particular feature that is for uploading or creating a playlist, I have been it has been enabled under this account, but yet my that particular thing that is going live, that has not yet been verified or enabled, because I have not given my phone number over there for verification. Okay, so I want to go back to my own channel, so I will just switch account, and if I switch account and I go back to my original channel, okay. See, my dashboard is open. Okay, so I will just click on your channel option, so my channel will be displayed over here. Okay, now in order to let me show you one thing, that is, in order to see that how the permission is given, if I go to the setting option, see the setting option, when I go to the setting option, and if I try to see the channel status and feature, you just click on this channel status and feature. You can scroll down a bit, you can see this green line, right? So this is after verification, you will be given this, given this notification that is enabled. Okay, and there will be one green bar, progress bar, and this shows that your channel is being uh, able to live stream. Okay, so each time you create a channel, you have to verify it. See, it has been also written over here that is verified. So I just return to my YouTube studio. So how you want to go live? There are two ways where you can go live. One is that using a webcam, that is a YouTube webcam, and another one is you can also use a third party, that is broadcasting software. I will show you that how to go live using a OBS software. Okay, now this OBS software, you have to download it, and it is actually free. Okay, so if you want to go for that live stream with any third party, so I will just click on this OBS software. Let me show you from the beginning how to do it. Okay. Now this is the home page. When I click on this OBS software, this is the OBS software. Okay. When I click on it, it will open to me to this page. Okay. So how to go live using this is that when you come to the right hand side, you can see over here that is written controls. Now under controls, there is a setting option. You see, there is a setting option. Just click on the setting option. So it will ask for me. So what I want to do is to go live, right? I want to stream live. So I will just select the stream option. When I go this stream option, now they are asking for me service, right? So by default, I was actually going live using YouTube. So you can also choose any of other services also, like Facebook, Twitch, and this. So I will show you for YouTube only. So I will just go and select this YouTube option. Now they will ask me for a stream key. So I have to get that stream key. So from where? You just select this get stream key. When you click on this get stream key, it will redirect me to our YouTube studio. So let's see what they are trying to do.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the name of the software?
OBS. OBS.
Just like we see StreamYard. Is it like that?
Yes, yes. This is the third. Yeah, this is a OBS software by which you can also like sometimes we do.
OBS full form is Open Broadcasting Software. Open Broadcasting Software.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So do we need to download that in our laptop?
Yes, yeah. For broadcasting that, if you want to use OBS, then you for that you can download it. Otherwise, you can also go live from your YouTube studio also using a webcam. Okay.
Okay. Suppose a meeting or a webinar is being conducted through Gmeet, and we want to go live in the YouTube too. So that is then why we are needing
then
the
we
OBS.
use that with OBS. Yes. No, sometimes sometimes we try to record our lectures using audio and video, right? So
Yes,
you can also use this OBS there also for recording thing also. Recording
so we'll be just typing OBS software in the Google.
Yeah, OBS, and it have to download it. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So you can see over here that there is a title automatically they have taken as a Rituparnapa live stream. So if you want to edit this particular title, you can also provide a new title also. Then I can just write over here that is take a DC demo. Okay. So then I have to change the view option. That is, I can go for public or private or unlisted. So in order to make you view, I select a public option. Now, in this thing that is science and technology, this is the where that is you want to go live. Then about what you want to go live, whether it is education or news, entertainment, anything. So I just choose the education one. Okay. Now this particular thumbnail has been automatically taken. So if you want to change the thumbnail, then just go for selecting this change thumbnail option. Okay. So let me scroll down. Okay, next is that it is asking for me the age thing, that is it is already done. So I'll just scroll down a bit. So this part has been done. Okay, so I next do is that I have to get that stream. Okay. In order to get that stream option, if you come over here, that is you have to copy this stream. Okay, so just copy. Just select the copy. You can see it is showing the successfully copied. Then you click over here, that is the OBS. When you go for the OBS, you have to just paste that link, that stream key over here. Just Control V. Okay. So next what you have to do, you have to press OK. So this I have to just shorten it, otherwise you cannot see it. Okay. Once I have provided the stream key, I will just click on OK. So once it is OK, then what I have to do is that I have to select the sources. So if you go, that is what you want to, you have to show your laptop screen, right? So I want to show my display, go this option as a display capture. So whatever will be displayed on my device, that will be the screen of my live video. Okay. So once I selected that thing, again, if I come back to over here, that is over your control option, then I have to click on start streaming option. So when I click on start streaming option, you can see it will start going live. Now you can see over here that it is written over here live 6 seconds, 7 seconds, like this way. So I just let me display one thing so that it will be easier for you to understand that how it is going live. So it is just opening. Even if you go to my channel, you can also view over there that I am going live. Follow me.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you show them?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
So I'm just stop sharing my screen. So follow me will show how it is showing over there. Okay. Okay, I have stopped sharing my screen.
Okay, I'm just opening mine. Okay, I'm just opening my YouTube over here. And let me search Rituparna ma'am's channel. So it's her channel over here. And let's go to the videos part. Ma'am, have you started the live?
Yes, I've started the live. It might take some time, you know.
Okay.
I have started.
It takes a few minutes actually due to the lag.
It's a latency.
Yes.
Rituparna,
Open now.
just go to your live video.
I can also show actually. It is not showing over there.
Okay. Let me just.
Okay, then you just stop
Exactly,
sharing
ma'am.
your screen and just go to my.
Go live. Yeah, yes.
Okay, let.
Yes, just go for live.
Isn't
Not go for live. Just,
go live?
just, just, just upload videos. Upload videos and cancel it.
Wait a minute, I have to present my
Yes,
screen
yes,
once
yes, yes,
again.
yes.
Please. So this is it visible now?
Yes,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
coming.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is coming. Yes.
Okay, so you can see that this is the actually my channel, and here it is showing that going live. Whatever is displayed actually in my screen will be actually I have chosen the display capture, right? So whatever there will be screen, that will be shown in the live streaming option. So is it visible now? Is it okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, you can also see here it
Yes.
is going on. Okay. Okay, so this is how we can go live with my using a OBS. Okay, so just let me go back. I can also just end stream from here. You can see over here there is a end stream option. Then you just select on this end stream, and my the live will actually stop. So if I go back to my over here, that is OBS software, then I have to just stop streaming it. Okay, so once I select this stop streaming option, then automatically this particular thing will stop streaming. Okay, so this is how I have shown you how to go live. Okay, now this was my channel dashboard. So I just show you one thing that how to, what if you want to delete those videos which you have uploaded or you have gone live. Okay, so I just go back to my channel view. Okay, I select in this you, these are all the videos. Okay, I go to this YouTube studio option. When I go to this YouTube studio option, uh, I have to go and select the videos. Whenever we work with the YouTube, it is really very slow. The net become very slow. Okay, you can see over here it is opening. Uh, where is it? I go to my videos. These are my channel videos. See, this videos are actually uploaded, and if you want to see whatever we have gone live, then you just select this live option. Okay, when I go for this live option, you can see that mm, today, that is I have gone live over here. See, this one. Okay, so if you want to delete it, oh, actually it was not showing you all because I have not saved my edition. That is, I have kept it private actually. That's why it was not showing on your screen, Poland. Okay, see, I have not saved that edited font.
Yes, it
Okay.
was private.
Oh,
Yes, that's why
This is
I
the way.
forgot
Don't
to
delete it.
change the same.
You can
Yeah,
make it
actually,
public
if you want
also.
to
The
delete
method
it,
is
yeah, you just click on this three dot, and if you
make
select
it
this
public.
delete forever option, this will to just check this option out and just delete it forever. So this is how you can go live with your YouTube. This was from my part. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you. Up to this, what we have done, keeping in mind the learning module we have prepared already. In the learning module, we need a video lecture, a reading material, assignment, test, and if possible, audio lecture. And that must be a 45 minutes work. And if my assistant professors and associate professors, whoever may be, or my learning module, they will get marks in their class also. And we have done this one in this workshop, how to make a learning modules. Now, I will call Midul. We are using G Suite account of our college, the workshop. So I will request Midul to discuss about the advantage of G Suite account. Please, Midul.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, everybody. You have gone through a tough and thorough sessions before, and I would like to thank both the ma'ams. Now I am going to show some tricky things to you. I am presenting. I don't know whether I can show you or not, because my system is not working since morning.
So, sir, see how that is.
And I am using my small notebook now, and its speed is very slow. I don't know whether it can be shown or not. I am presenting. Is it visible, sir?
Yes. Carry on.
Okay, sir. Now, I am going to tell about some differences between G Suite for Education and personal Google account. In personal Google account, we are using since 10 years, 15 years back. But I am using G Suite for Education since 3.5 years, I think. So, what is the difference between that? Actually, G Suite for Education is totally free. So, I am showing you the differences. Free personal account of cloud space. What is that? For free personal account, cloud space for the G Suite or cloud space for any personal G Suite personal account, Google account is 15 GB. It includes Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and Docs, Sheets, and whatever Google tools we are using. It total account is free, 15 GB free. Now, in case for G Suite for Education account, it is unlimited. Now, for email, what is the difference? Free personal account, it is 100 mails per day, and if we go for the total mail account we are using, that is totally 500 per day. Actually, if I go for 100 mails per day, and we can send 100 mails per day into 5 people, not more than that. That is 500 mails per day, but total mail sent will be 100 per day. And for G Suite account, it is 1500 per day, and total mail sent will be 2000 per day. Now, you have gone through the Google form. So you may the question may arise as how many responses we can take for our personal account or G Suite account. Okay. Now the difference is that it is totally depends upon the Google Sheet, as all the responses are stored in the Google Sheet. So number of cells present in the sheet is the factor. Then how many number of cells present in the sheet in personal account? It is 50 lakhs per sheet. And for G Suite account, it is also 50 lakhs per sheet. So there is no difference between G Suite and personal account for Google Form responses. Next, and Google Classroom. We have gone through it. So free personal account for number of students we can take is 250 per class, and number of co-teachers will be 20 per class, and no guardian facilities is available in free personal account. Okay. Now for G Suite for education account, I have to scroll it up for this, and number of students will be now 1000 placards, and co-teachers will be the same, and guardian facility, yes, we can add guardians also in our classroom if we can use classroom from the G Suite account. Okay. Now another difference for Google Meet. We are using Google Meet now. We are in the meeting in Google Meet. We are using Google Meet, this Google Meet from our G Suite account. So what will be for free personal account? Number of participants will be 100 per session. No live streaming facility is available, and no recording facility is also available. But in case of G Suite account, it will be 250 per session. Live streaming facility is available for 1 lakh people, and recording facility, yes, recording facility is there. Record it will record in our G Drive, in our Google Drive, that is unlimited storage, that has unlimited storage. So that is the basic difference of personal Google account and G Suite account. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Is there any question?
G Suite account is of the different type of G Suite account are there. Midul, you can say.
Yes,
personal
yes.
Yes, but the G Suite account for education.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can say, I can show you. I can show you another option. That is, we can buy G Suite account. That is the comparative prices and plans. All the G Suite accounts is free for 40 days only. But for basic account, if we buy, that is 125 per month per user. In case of basic business account, it is 672 per month per user, and it is for if we are buying for an enterprise account, then the amount is 1650 per user per month. This is the cost of G Suite account for an individual account. If it is for basic, it is 125. It is 125 per month. If it is for business, it is 672 per month, and if it is for enterprise edition, then it is 1650 per month. But as we teachers, we should go for basics. So I will suggest, if we don't have any G Suite account for education to your institution or colleges or universities, so you may go for 125 per month only for using G Suite advantages. That's all, I think.
Okay. Thank you, Midul, for this information. Informative. This was the informative slide. So I would like to request all the participants go back to your college virtually and talk to your principal for G Suite for education, because you got the
May I
advantage.
stop my presentation?
Yeah. No, you haven't stopped. Stop it.
Okay, sir.
So we are just at the end of our session, and now for 2 days we have learned a lot. As a teacher, when we want to teach something to some student, then there is some objective of this teaching. Every teacher should know why he is teaching that thing. And the student should ask the question, yes, also why. So in this workshop, our intention was to give you some outline sketch of Google Classroom and Google Form. But why? What will do this one in your institution? I will discuss on this matter. So let me go to that portion. And before that, one request was from Dr. Devashish Pal, the principal of the college of Ulvedia College. There are so many types of platform for online classes. So I would like to request Paulami once again, just show the slides. There are so many platforms like Zoom. Paulami?
Yes, sir.
So the slides on that, how many platforms are used and what are the advantages and disadvantages of this one?
Exactly, sir. Okay, so let me start.
From our principal of Ulvedia College, the video conferencing tools for online classes. Yeah.
Okay, let me start. Okay, now I'm just going to discuss about some video conferencing tools for taking online classes or even conducting departmental meetings. Now the question arises, why we need a video conferencing in online teaching? You know, when the lockdown started, we started teaching online. And we were providing some notes, lectures, I mean, mostly YouTube lectures through WhatsApp or Google Classroom to the students. But somewhere we all felt that can't be the replacement to the chalk and talk method, right? So we needed a solution where we can take live classes, or rather interact with our students face to face. And talking about this video conferencing thing, look, it's also not a replacement to our conventional classroom teaching, but obviously a inferior but smart substitute to our conventional classroom teaching method. Okay, so I will just show you some slides on that. So why we need the video conferencing tools in online teaching? As the slide says, you see, there are many video conference platforms and they can be really a aid for anyone teaching online. And most of them offer a meeting place, a place where groups of people can see each other, can with webcams or with microphones, they can interact with each other at real time. and also a place where we can share almost anything, almost everything that can be shared in a physical teaching space. Like I can write anything on a Google Jamboard, I mean any Jamboard, and we can share links, videos, audios, pictures. Now I am presenting something to you. It's also because Google Gmeet has given me this opportunity, this independence. Okay, now, opportunity to record meetings so that students can watch parts of the session again later, or videos can be shared with students who missed the session. Just just in the previous session, someone just asked, "Ma'am, I have missed the lecture. So can I see it later on? Will you provide the recorded material?" So in video conferencing, not us or even our students are really that much familiar to this online teaching thing. Okay, we are very new to these things. Only 3 months or 4 months we are using this. So getting video recorded sessions is really helpful for us, so that we can later on, we can just watch it, we can just improve ourselves, or students can also review the whole thing, revise the whole thing. Okay, and also there is chat boxes and non-verbal communication symbols, and there are also polls. Actually, later on you can see some of the video conferencing tools allows us to create polls in the real time, so that the participants can participate in the polls. Okay, so let's see a comparative study between them. So a few names to say in this place is TeamViewer, Microsoft Teams, Skype, Meet Now, Apache Open Meeting. One second. Just a minute, please. Okay. So okay. So as I was saying, there are a few like Skype Meet Now, which is very much popular, Apache Open Meeting, Messenger Rooms, which is very new to this domain, and Cisco Wavex, which is mostly used in MNCs, multinational companies, and always the Zoom thing is there. I mean, this is, I think, the most popular nowadays. Every person uses Zoom. But there are some drawbacks using Zoom. I will discuss later on. And there is Jitsi, C dot, which is made by Government of India, and obviously our favorite Google Meets, on which we are just attending this meeting. Okay, talking about them, we have this first thing. This is the Team Viewer thing. Okay. The Team Viewer offers different license option, allowing up to 25 meeting participants, up to 10 video conference participants at a time. I mean, 25 participants in one meeting. You can arrange 10 meetings at a time. You don't need to be there in each meeting. You can just create the meeting using your account, provide the links to the certain people, and the meeting can be operated by that. And there are two licenses to this TeamViewer thing, like free and paid. Like always, they provide us a free thing where only 25 participants can participate. It has the screen sharing ability. Also, one inbuilt whiteboard. You can actually write anything on the screen without having any application like Google Jamboard or OneNote, anything. And also there is a feature of call recording. So it's also very convenient, you see. Okay, the next one is Microsoft Teams. Now Teams basically is a chat-based collaboration tool. It used to be a chat-based collaboration tool previously, when people, I mean, most of the American companies, the MNC, used to use it. And it provides a feature like document collaboration. Now it has the video conferencing thing and one-on-one chat, a whole team chat. You can just arrange one team chat and more. And obviously we have two kind of license over here. One is free and another one is paid. We can share the screen we can use the whiteboard, but no inbuilt built whiteboard is provided over there. You have to use OneNote, as it's also one app of Microsoft used as an alternative.
15 মিনিট না না আমি বলছি 15 মিনিট নি, কেননা টোটালটা কেন বাঁধলাম এইভাবে সেটা ঠিক আসছে না। সাড়ে ছটা ছেড়ে দিলে হবে না?
Excuse me, sir. Okay.
5 মিনিট কেন, এটা তো তোমার লাগছে অল্প সময়।
Okay, so there is also a call recording feature, but that's only available for the paid user. So like this freeloaders like us can't use that. And the limit for the participants, number of participants is 20 only. Okay, so let's move to the next one. This is the Skype Meet now, and it's the, I mean, it used to be the most used video conferencing tool till Zoom arrived. I mean, everyone who used to video conference with someone, they used to use Skype. And the Skype has been the go-to platform for one-on-one conversation since the beta was released in 2003. And its Meet Now feature allows video conferencing nowadays. And the license is totally free, as you see. Screen sharing is possible. There is no inbuilt whiteboard, but you can obviously download some whiteboard app or tool, and you can use that. And call recording facility is provided over there. And the limit is 50 participants per call. Okay. So the next one, right? And the next one is Apache Open Meeting. It's a total open source tool over here. This Apache Open Meeting solution has video conferencing, screen sharing, meeting recording, whiteboard capabilities, instant messaging, and collaborative document editing features. So you see, this is a really great tool, though it's rarely used by us, we the teachers. It's mostly used in the US. Okay, the license is totally free as it is an open source thing, and the screen sharing thing is there, as I told you before. Inbuilt whiteboard is there, call recording is there, and technically there is no limit and no limit in number of participation, but mostly they say 75 to 100 participant, I mean, to take 75 to 100 participant to make the call stable. You know, it's an open source thing, you can't rely that much to that thing. Okay, so move to the next thing. It's the messenger room, and it's really new in this domain. I mean, only maybe a month, it has been a month since they introduced this messenger room things. And Facebook Messenger rooms offer a few additional features that help us set it apart from their competition. It allows you to invite user even if they are not your Facebook friends. They don't need to be in Facebook arena. It will eventually be extended to work with most of the Facebook network apps, I mean, such as Instagram, WhatsApp, and Portal. It's already in the latest version of WhatsApp. Okay, but there is some limitation. It's free, we all know that. There is also screen sharing is also possible over here, but there is no inbuilt whiteboard in this. And you can do the call recording thing absolutely free, and but the limit of the participants are only 50 per call. Okay, so let's move to the next one, and it's the Cisco WebEx. It's the most used app by all the MNCs throughout this world. And WebEx is a video conferencing app that has been around here since the 90s, and later on it was acquired by Cisco in 2007. While it's been mainly known as a business application, as I was telling you, and continues to focus on serving companies. And for the current emergency, the pandemic situation we are facing, it has widened the features of the freemium version, they call it, from 50 to 100 participants. Okay, and gotten rid of the 40-minute limit on meetings. So there are no time limit on meetings basically, and added a few call-in abilities, like they provide a number to call in, and you can just connect with your phone, not using your data. Okay, so if you use the free license, I mean, there are two licenses, one free and one paid. I'm just discussing about the free one. The screen sharing is possible, the whiteboard is inbuilt, and call recording is also available. And for the free loaders, the limit is 100 participants per call, but there is a time limit which is 50 minutes a call. Okay, so it can't be more than 50. And for better users, no, you can use this. I mean, you can keep it low, like 45 and all. Okay. Now we have our favorite Zoom. No, nowadays everyone takes classes Zoom. Though I don't prefer it that much. Okay, the available features of Zoom include an MP4 recording of meeting, obviously very high quality, a personal meeting ID, an application or desktop specific sharing, private group and chat, a virtual whiteboard, that is in-bit whiteboard, private rooms within a meeting, so that you can just like we are just conducting this meeting, no, just I wish to have a chat with my co-resource person about this meeting, so I can create a room under room, I can create a private room over there, so I can chat with my co-resource person about something, about a specific issue we are facing, and then get back to our main meeting. And on demand polls, as I was telling you, we can have one virtual poll over there. And obviously mouse or keyboard sharing, you can share your mouse or keyboard, so any other resource person can technically control your mouse or keyboard using their resources. Okay, just like TeamViewer, it's also possible in TeamViewer. Okay, it's also possible to share the screen of an iPhone or iPad app. I mean, if you use that in your Zoom account. The license is free and paid both. Mainly, we use the free version where the screen sharing is possible. Whiteboard is there, inbuilt one. Call recording is possible in an MP4 format, and there is limit in calls. Like for the free calls, there is 100 participants, and for the paid calls you can have 1000 participants. Okay, but there is a limit for 40 minutes of a call, and if you just schedule the calls previously, they often get rid of the call time limit. Okay, and you can also stream directly your call to YouTube if you ever wish to do that. Okay, that's also possible in Zoom. And there is Jitsi Meet. Now it's not so common in our area. Now we mostly don't ever known that thing. So it's also an open source platform that lets you easily meet online by simply navigating to the site and clicking on the go option. It offers many more well-known apps such as chat, session recording, and the session gets recorded to, saved in your Dropbox account. So you need one Dropbox account for that. The license is free, as you know, it's an open source platform. Screen sharing is also possible. There is no inbuilt whiteboard, but you can record the calls. And the limit of the call is 75 maximum, and YouTube streaming is allowed. Okay, so it's my second most favorite, C-Dot. It's a government of India initiative. We use the Google Meet thing very much because our institution provides us with a free Google Meet, G Suite account. That's why. If I didn't have any Google Meet or Gmeet account, I would surely used this because it's such a beautiful app, or what you say, site just developed by C-Dot. Its license is totally free, and you don't need to think about the security. A few days ago, actually a few months ago, you know the news. There was a security concern we were facing with Zoom. But in case of C-Dot, you won't face the security concern because it's totally secured. There is multi-layered screen sharing. The screen sharing can be possible with multiple persons at a time. In a call document sharing, you can share a document in the call. You can drop a document over there only. Everyone in the call can share the thing, can download the thing. And you can break out rooms to conduct dedicated discussion among a specific set of users during ongoing meeting. As I was saying that in case of Zoom also, you can just break out the meeting. You can have a chat with your co-resource person or colleagues just when the meeting is going on. Just break out the room, have a personal chat, come back and conduct the meeting. And obviously there is a whiteboard, multi-user whiteboard, call recording. It's a live free application. Then also it has the call recording feature. And technically the limit is nil. I mean, there is no limit on the number of participants that can attend the meeting, you know. But always it's safe to have only 200 or less than 200 participants in your meeting to keep the meeting stable, or else it will be a chaos. And video streaming is also allowed, I mean, to YouTube and to any other app. Here you have one very important feature, I can say. You can promote a specific user to presenter or moderator. You can actually give them some more privilege. Like I can choose a few people, only the co-resource persons as the presenter, so no other people in the meeting can start presenting. The problem we are facing now, everybody in Gmeet, what happens, everybody can present anything, so my presentation gets stopped. But whenever I promote a specific person or a group of specific person to present or be a moderator of the meeting, this problems, we can get rid of this problem over there only. Okay, so I'm just that much fan of this thing. But one drawback of this thing is you don't have any app for this. You need to log into this vmeet.gov.in site, and you have to create one, I mean, register yourself as the user. Then only you can create one meeting. Okay, so there is no app provided till now. Okay, and our favorite one, Google Meet. And real-time meetings by Google, obviously using your browser or even with the app. You can share your video, desktop, and presentation with teammates and students. It's free and paid. It has two kind of license, free and paid. And if your institute apply for one G Suite for education account, it's purely free, but the application procedure is bit complicated. Okay, so screen sharing is possible, as I am sharing my screen in Google Meet. Whiteboard, they have provided us one app that is known as Google Jamboard, but there is no inbuilt whiteboard right now. They will probably update this feature in September. I was just going through the news yesterday. And there is a call recording feature also, but that's available in the paid version, like in the G Suite version. And obviously in the meeting, there is a limitation of participants. Like for free meetings, for basic accounts, we can have a meeting for 100 people. For paid meetings, we have 250 people limitation. And there is technically no time limit. I can extend this meeting tomorrow also. Okay.
Hello.
And the last one is,
Hello.
we can stream our YouTube video throughout the meeting. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you all. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. এটা ভাবছি কি করবো, চলো চলো ছেড়ে দিই। ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, okay, okay. So the session is over more or less. Now it is your turn. Actually, one portion was related to this, all the lecture was prepared, that is the process of NAC accreditation. And on that light, all the lectures was prepared for on that light. And when our college is just going to organize one lecture on NAC, the new format of NAC. So I would like to request all the participants to attend that lecture, and that will be conducted by the NAC team of Bengaluru. So everybody should know the format of NAC, not for the accreditation process, but for the self-development, qualitative development that was started by our ancestor from 1857, the formal education in India by creating 3 universities. And now, how many universities are there? And private universities also here. And they are becoming a challenge to us as a new education policy. That we have to prepare for that, to fight against this private organization with our limited resource. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for you, and we want to learn from you how you have experienced this workshop and the valid accreditation. So may I request the participant to come forward and say a few words. Let us start with Sangeeta Rokhit, if she is here. I have seen him several times for asking questions. Sangeeta?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. This has been a wonderful session for 2 days. Actually, I was very much eager to learn how these online teaching process goes on. So especially the YouTube session, actually I have a YouTube channel therefore. So the Google Calendar, Jamboard, all these were unknown to me. I was pretty much acquainted with the Google Meet and Google Doc form, but the other sessions were wonderful. I learned a lot. And I look forward to your help in the future as well. I'll try these hands-on session in my free time. But if I face any problem, I would like to know from the expert teams of your college, sir.
Yes, sure. We will always with you to help you.
I'll go back to my college and ask my principal.
Ma'am, be connected with us through our classroom. We will be there with you. All of your
I'm there in the classroom. I'm there in the classroom.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for providing such an wonderful occasion to be united with such an expert team. Thank you, sir.
Yes, anybody more? Gautam Kumar Vishwas, are you here? Gautam Kumar Vishwas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, your experience, please.
I am an assistant professor from the Department of B.Ed, Uruvedia College. All of the sessions are really attractive and practical, and these are very this can be implemented in future when we practice. And particularly, I come to the Google Classroom where rubric is explained for getting the question. Now I am wanting to know that rubric is optional or it may be avoided. What is the importance of rubric in Google Classroom, and how many rubric can we create for an assignment? How many rubric?
Sir, it is optional. The rubric is actually optional part. If you wish to give stick marking for your assignment, then you can choose this rubric. Like then the students will be also able to know that where actually they have been awarded a full marks or less marks. Like I have divided my question. My question consists of mostly coding and diagrammatic representation. So I have given that rubric that it is divided into 2 parts. 5 marks in diagram, 5 marks in rubric. You can also avoid it. You can also add more criteria to it. And you can also add title to add level of that. Like in diagram also, under that also you can also add more title. That is how rubric actually works.
Okay, Sandeep from Uluberia College.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Sandeep Doloi from the Department of English, Uluberia College. First of all, I want to convey my regards to the principal sir of KK Das College, Dr. Ramkrishna Prasad Chakraborty, as well as to our principal sir, Dr. Debashish Pal, for organizing such a relevant workshop on the uses of ICT in our teaching, learning system, on the teaching learning system. And at the very outset of this workshop, two renowned academicians, I want to mention the two names: Professor Ashish Chattopadhyay, Pro Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University, and Professor Bashub Choudhury from West Bengal State University, Vice Chancellor. Professor Ashish Chattopadhyay, he has said few words, but he has set the tune of this workshop at the very beginning. And Professor Bashub Choudhury, he has shared his personal experience with us. And then at the first session, I want to mention, at the time this workshop, KK Das College with collaboration with Uluberia College organized. This time it is truly, if we cannot adapt with the socio-political and cultural changes of the society, if we just spend our time doing nothing, being dumbfounded, surely we shall be gradually lagging behind, I think. So this is very relevant workshop, I think. If we lead our students being at the front, we have no option. We have to learn at first, and then we can deliver some productive to our students.
Okay, Sandeep, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Sandeep. In conclusion from this lecture, I can add one thing. Sandeep rightly pointed out that we have to prepare ourselves first. And if we start the lecture like this in the classroom also, before going to the class, if we give our class note in the Google Classroom or directly to the student, and after returning from the class, if I give the assignment and the test, and at the same time the feedback through the Google form. So only the Google form and the Google Classroom, the combination of these two both will change our attitude, will change our mindset up, will change the methodology of your teaching. So thank you, Sandeep, for pointing out this one. I just add one thing.
Is there any Triparna is there?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Finally, we have reached the end of this wonderful 2 days workshop. I would like to thank cordially our principal sir, Dr. Debashish Pal, and principal sir of KK Das College, Goria, for arranging such a resourceful workshop. Now, in this pandemic situation, it is inevitable for us to take online classes for continuing the teaching learning process. And this workshop has made us able to be more tech savvy, I guess. And now we are accustomed to Google Site, Google Form, Google Calendar, Google Classroom, and so on. My cordial thanks to Rituparna ma'am, Poulomi ma'am, and Mridul sir for your endless effort to make us better online teachers, I guess. We have really enjoyed the session and learned a lot from you. And I really hope you will always be there for us in case we face any difficulty regarding these online classes.
Yes.
So thank you once again.
Support will be given by us. But the first word what I told, that learn one, teach two. If you learn, try to make 2 teachers also.
Yes.
From your college or other college.
Yes, of course, sir.
If you learn one and teach 2, then finally the scenario will change in our West Bengal. Anybody more?
Yes.
Paramita Sarkar,
Anybody from commerce? I'm sorry.
Paromita Sarkar, are you here?
No, I think Paromita is not here. Oishwarya is here.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. Do you
Am I
have any
audible,
comment about this? Yes, you are audible. Absolutely.
At first, good evening to all. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, go ahead, please.
I have enjoyed the whole workshop and learned a lot. Thanks to our principal sir, Dr. Debashish Pal, and thanks to principal sir of Kekedas College. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. And Shamol is there? Is Shamol from chemistry? Or Shishandu? Is Shishandu from physics?
Yes, I am here. Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Shishandu, please. Oh, Shamol is there? Okay. Shamol is there. So can you say something about this workshop?
First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Ramakrishna Prasad Pal, Principal Sir of Kekedas College.
Ramakrishna Prasad Chakraborty. Don't mix up the title with the name, please.
And our principal, Sir Dr. Debashish Pal, to organize such kind of really nice workshop jointly. Thanks to all the participants and especially to the speakers to present their valuable, nice lectures to make the workshop very successful. I think it was definitely very much interesting and encouraging to all of us. Thank you. Thanks to all.
Okay, Shishandu is there? Is Shishandu?
Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
You learned from other place. I think you enjoyed, or rather you enrolled your name in some other place like this kind of for this
Yeah.
kind of workshop.
Yeah.
In IIT somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Can you compare or can you suggest anything to improve in future?
Yeah, actually there has one option, maybe plagiarism checker or course checker in Google Classroom. It is also very important because students are there copying and they are pasting in assignment. So this point was very important. I think I asked to Kekedas College team, maybe this will be very useful to all.
Right. Very
Okay,
good.
thank you.
That will be adapted in our FDP.
Okay.
Faculty Development Program, a 5 days program that will be started from 26th of this month.
Yes.
So there will be we have a limited time here, only 10 hours.
Yeah, they have plan. Shishandu, they have plan to include.
thank you,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Is there anybody?
Any other college? I think Ramsagar
Any
College.
other college?
Howrah Girls College, yours.
No. So, so Ram, can I move to thanks? Vote of thanks.
Yes. Before that, I want to give my thanks and my to my teachers, and Devashish told me that this dedicate the workshop to the SSCT, newly joined SSCT, and 70% of this, more than 70% of this participant are SSCT, along with our assistant professor and associate professor.
Not only your participants, your all teachers are under the same umbrella, right?
Yeah, under the same umbrella.
Yes, important issue. All three teachers, excluding you, not including you. I'm not telling you are the SSCT, you are principal, but other three faculties, really marvelous faculties like this. Okay.
Thank you very much, Devasita. Just to proceed, I am proud of them. My resource person. I am proud of them.
You, all of us are very proud about all of those three. Okay.
Okay. Rituparna, will you say something? Rituparna, your opening. Yes, Rituparna.
You, sir, and also Dr. Devashish Pal, principal of Uluberia College. Actually, the more time, this is the, I think, the fifth workshop we are doing, and the more we go on exploring and sharing our knowledge, the more we learn actually.
Yes,
This
yes.
is very important. Actually, we go on try to add some new things, and it is also, we are also gaining that knowledge, and we are really happy to share this knowledge to so many
Great.
different teachers.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is
This is the,
really
yeah, I
achievement.
understand. This is
This
the
is
only thing it increase if you spend, if you donate, if you transfer. This is the only
yeah,
thing you have.
yeah. And
Yeah,
this is
exactly.
really the nice platform
I
where you are
appreciate.
coming to us so
Yes.
many teachers and sharing our
Thank you.
knowledge.
Thank you. I
Thank you so
appreciate.
much.
I
Thank you.
appreciate.
Thank
God bless you.
So
Yeah.
I think it is the time to close. Mridul,
Yeah.
have you given the link now?
Yes, sir. I have
Mridul,
already given. It has
yeah,
been
you have
already
given
given
in
Okay.
the chat box. It is not in the
in the
chat box.
chat box in the WhatsApp group also.
Okay, that link
So
is given. Oh,
about
so
Polomi, anything to say?
Oh, so I just want to say thank you to you all, especially to you. I think you were in
Okay.
the previous workshop also. You have
Yeah.
attended a couple of workshops by us.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you for all, I mean, for actually having us in this auspicious ceremony. You're celebrating
Hmm.
your 72nd Foundation Day.
Right.
And as an educator, you're really doing a great job. We are
Thank
really
you.
proud of you and your
Thank
college.
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. So can I move to vote of thanks,
yes,
Ram?
yes.
Okay.
Of
Today's
course.
vote of thanks will be delivered by our IQSC convener, senior most teacher of Uluberia College, Dr. Aditi Bhattacharya, HOD, Department of Philosophy. Please, Aditi Bhattacharya, are you here? Hello? Yeah, yeah, you are here. Okay, go ahead, please. It's not audible. It's not audible. Please, something wrong? Let,
Yes, ma'am. Audible. Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
okay.
No.
there is some noise, I think.
Yeah.
That's why it's creating a problem.
So, please, please, could you please mute your video? Just go for audio only. Yeah.
Ma'am, just unplug your headphone. I think that will solve the problem.
Yes.
Unplug. Yeah.
Unplug your headphone. That is the problem of the headphone. No.
No, there is some problem. No, I'm sorry. There is some problem. Let me close the thing. And I'm concluding this. First of all, thanks to all your huge, strong, and very fabulous and excellent team. First of all, your e-Adhyayan team, Paulumi, Rituparna, and Mridul. And we want to thank Bashop Chaudhuri, Vice Chancellor, State University, Professor Chattopadhyay, Provici Academy of Calcutta University, and special thanks to Principal K.K. Dash College, my friend, for arranging this kind of workshop with us. Finally, many thanks to all of my participants for their active participation. In this way, we would like to conclude. Just for the information, from tomorrow, we did different type of classes through video, through audio, by Zoom, by Google Meet, and everything. From tomorrow, Uluberia College is going to start for third and fifth semester just following the class routine. Class will start from tomorrow. After being skilled from this kind of workshop, we are now in the field. We are planning, we are going to establish ourselves. Yes, we learned a lot. We are executing our knowledge. We are transferring our knowledge to our students. From tomorrow, all of my teachers will start their class online, following the class routine which has been uploaded in our website. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Again.
sir.
Thank you. Good night. Stay well, stay safe. Thank you. Okay.